Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. If you're new to my channel, hit the like button and subscribe. If you're my fan, of course you know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, leave a sweet comment below, share the video, and don't forget to turn on that notification so you know the next time I'm posting another video. Guys, today's video, I am so excited. I am so overjoyed. The reason being is I finally had to buy my new air fryer. As you all know, if you're watching my videos, I have the old air fryer that I have been with for 6 years. Guys, 6 years. Yes, I love that air fryer. But now it's the time for that air fryer to go. I needed an air fryer. The reason being is that the handle is broken. I cannot use it anymore. Check it out, guys. This is my old air fryer. Okay guys, this is my old air fryer. It's a 5.8 Quart. It's a power air fryer. As you can tell, guys, over here, this area is broken, so when you try to close it, it cannot close. I bought a new air fryer. Let's go unbox the new one. Okay guys, as you can tell, this is the new air fryer. It's 5.8 Quart air fryer, and as you can tell, it's red. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, look, that's the way it looks. These are all the food, the ingredients. It has over 100 receipts, guys, over here that you can cook. It has all the instructions on how you cook. And this is how it comes, and the name of the air fryer is Cosori. Cosori, ready to take the heart. Oh my goodness, here they give you all the air fryer instructions. It's 360 air circulation technology. Yes. So this is how it looks like. 11 is cooking benefits and everything. Guys, this is the best investment you can do to your life. As you see, my old air fryer was good, but now my old air fryer is broken. Hey, teenager Wato, she needs a new air fryer. So we are going to unbox this. So this is air. This is how it came. I ordered this thing from Amazon. It took only 2 days to come, and that's a good thing. So here we are unboxing. I don't know where to start from. I need maybe to take this thing off. There you go, guys. This is how it looks like. Over here, the moment you open, they show you French fries. That's how it looks like. And you open it like this. On behalf of all of us at Cosori, the company, it's a happy cooking. That's how it comes like. And then you unbox like this. So we take this thing. Right here is the foam. You put right there. And then, guys, you take it down and you get this monster giant thing out. Woo! That's how it is. In here they have a nice cushion in there. That's how it looks like. And then over here, nothing else. And then the box goes over there. And then this one, I think, is upside down. You put it up. And then they have this beautiful bag here. Let's take it off. code, and this is the code they have here. So they have to put this olive here to cover. And this is how this Cosori air fryer looks like. Woo, 5.8 quarts, guys. It's amazing, I'm telling you. Really nice. This is how it looks like. I am so happy. Happy. I don't know if this is the bag. This is how it looks like. So this is from the back. This is how it looks like from the back. On top they have this thing here, and they have guys, it smells like new. So you take these tapes here, this thing here, they have a lot of them. Oh, we have more. And you take this too here, you take them out. That's what it is. That's how it looks like. And then we are going to open it. Oh wow, guys. And over here they have this beautiful basket. You press it down, and there is your basket that you put the fries and chicken and anything you want in here. And then over here you take this cover out. This is how it looks like. And then of course I'm going to wash it and wipe it before I use it, because I'm going to make a video on how I'm using it. So far this is the basket. As I can say, my first basket used to be bigger, a little bit bigger than this one, but that's all right. So the old basket that I had, it used to be bigger. Let me see if I can show you my old basket. Wait a minute, wait a second, we compare. Okay guys, let's compare my old basket. This is the new basket, the same size, and this is my old basket. This is my old basket, guys. As you can tell, it's really big up. It's cooked a lot. So this is my old basket, and this is my new basket. So you compare this, my old basket is way too bigger than this one. They have the same cut, you know, it's 5.8, it's 5.8. And this one is the new one. It's the newest model, and this is the old model. And as you can tell, this one, I love this so much because the basket was big. This one, the basket is lighter, and it's a little bit smaller, and it's a little bit expensive. This one's now that compared to this one. See now? So I wanted you guys to compare the old model right here. This is the old model. This is the new one that I'm throwing away, and this is the new one that I purchased. This one was a kind of round, and this one is a kind of a shape, a square shape. You know, it's a different. You can see really the difference. Okay, again, guys, this air fryer comes to the cookbook, Cosori. Prepare your kitchen and your appetite. So it comes with something like a parcel, but actually in here it's a cookbook. Let's open it. That's how it comes. You open in here, and you see all the instructions, the cookbook. These are the instruction book, the manual. So this is how you're supposed to manage the air fryer. These are all the cooking book, all the ingredients, that all the foods, that yummy food that you can cook in here. Guys, I am going to be a chef. That's my new title, maybe. All the food that you can cook in here, you name it, it's all in here. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever, it's in this little tiny book. You purchase air fryer much? Oh my goodness, guys. And this is tips from the chef. They give you how overcrowding, preheating, essential cooking. They give you more instructions from this little booklet. And of course, this one, they give you a good join Cosori family. I am officially a Cosori family. So I joined the tab, and they send you this Cosori join. How you join it, you register online, and then you scan this code, and then you can be family. So, and they give you how, in case it doesn't work, how you return the numbers, the 800 number that you're supposed to call Monday through Friday, and they give you all instructions that you need to take care of your Cosori air fryer. So far, I love it. I'm not used to it though, but the way it looks, and it has plenty of food than the first one, right? So this is how much I love this air fryer. Oh well guys, thank you so much for coming with me to unbox this a magical air fryer. I hope it's gonna do me justice, guys. Comment below, what do you think of this air fryer? Give me some tips if you have it. How is it going with you? Ask me some questions, and I'm gonna be cooking food with this air fryer so that we can test the french fries, we can test all the kind of foods that they have here. So I'm going to use this book to cook all these ingredients and types of food they have here. Thank you so much guys for being with me. Thank you for being a member of this channel. Thank you for joining this channel. Thank you so much for those ones who have become members. Guys, become a member so you can support this channel, and I appreciate those ones who have already joined this channel. Thank you so much guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.